there is a competition where DoGuru Alex participates as an international judge once a year. Competitors who have qualified in their country gather from all over the world and from all across the USA, even driving more than 40 hours to participate. Skyhounds World Championship. At this great event, where competitors have practiced a whole year to compete, as the world's best competitors were competing, suddenly, a competitor named Autumn Trainer stopped her routine voluntarily. Alex sought Autumn out to ask her why.
Why did I quit that? Because, and this dog is an athlete, and for her to pull off of a disc and lose focus with me, they don't generally do that unless there's something wrong, hurt, and I don't want to create a bad experience for her out here. So, like I said, above competition, she means more to me. I'll stop my routine for her health and her safety.
Even at competition once a year.
Yes. She by far is much more important than any prize that's out there. And so if I feel like she's hurting and not 100%, then none of that is worth my dog.
Yeah.
I'm satisfied that I made the right decision for her. She's my partner and my friend, so I want to do the right thing for her. When you compete, you're competing to place, or we wouldn't be competing. But my ultimate goal is to have my dogs do what they love to do, and for the rest of the world to see the relationship I have with all my dogs.